That's recording.
Yeah. That's the magic of filming. Hi.
Hi, this is bird vlog number 1. Ornithology class 2020.
If I had a wish, I'd wanna be a blackbird up in the sky, flying high.
No, I'm so excited. I never thought I would be birding at BC. We're birding in front of the gym right now.
Oh, what are your goals for the rest of our our outings? Or
Bird
this
outing?
vlog, maybe. What's our goal for this vlog?
Okay, Flora wants to see an eagle.
Maybe Baldwin will come out of here.
Yes. I want to see a hawk, which isn't a lot to ask because I've seen them around.
Yes, I just want to identify birds pretty easily. Be like, that's a red-crested woodpecker, blah, blah, blah.
And you basically put the binoculars up against your glasses. Focus on one of those feeders.
Here we have the Boston College eagles in their natural environment.
2 or 3 feet off the ground on the edge. There it goes.
Oh.
One up. So, anybody know that species?
Mockingjay.
Close. It's a
Mocking.
It's a gray mockingjay. About most of the way up at about 11 or 12 o'clock in that tree. That's a what? Blue jay, right? You see the blue feathers.
Successful bird
Good.
watching. We found some birds.
Day 1.
I saw my gray mockingbird. That's me. I'm a gray mockingbird.
We took a quiz. I'm a
Oh, yeah.
raven, but I didn't see a raven.
No, I have a goldfinch. I don't know if we have any of those.
Ooh, golden.
but-
Say
Yeah.
gold, pony boy. Overall, very successful first outing.
A couple e-girls with e-birds.
Yeah.
My love bird.
Yeah. My goal for this vlog is just to document all of our shenanigans, our growth as bird watchers.
Oh, this class is gonna be a good time.
It is, I can tell.
If I had a wish, I'd wanna be a blackbird up in